Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, list methods in Python language. What are the built-in methods are available in Python language, how we are going to using. We'll see in this video session. Watch it.
Hello, welcome to this session. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you list methods in Python. What are the list methods, built-in functions, and which are available in Python? We can readily use these built-in functions and write a speed up our code in a very easy manner. Let's see first a simple example with the append. The list of the numbers I am going to take in here with the list like some numbers. Or comma, everything is requirement for the numbers, as you know that. Yep. That's enough, right? And this list numbers, I want to append one more number. How it can be possible? Now see, numbers dot append. If you press in PyCharm using the PyCharm, numbers dot append. It's simple. And lastly, I want to add two-digit number, that is ready. Now see, here's a print of numbers here. Numbers, what it would be 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, comma 20. It should be output. See, the list item numbers, it can be very much easy to add in the appending section here. Right now, similarly, that adding a number in the position of the index position. Right? How it can be possible? This is the same append I am moving append I am removing into dot index I am going to take, and the index position is 0. I want to place it in a 20. Execute. Just a second. It's in a position of it's not an index, like dot insert and the index position. This is index position 0, and this is the position I want to be insert 20 of starting position. Now it's an execute. Now see here 20, 3, 4, 2, 3. Rest of the things is moved to one position in the right, and this number is added over there. And if you want to remove, there is a function, we can call it as simply remove from the list of items. If I want to remove 5, see, remove is a 5 number, it will be removed from the list. Here we go. It's removed. And similarly, there is a clear is there. You can also clear the things. And pop. Using pop, we can remove a last number from the given statements. Let's see, dot view. Function. The last number 3 will be eliminated from the list. These are the ready-made functionalities in the Python. Right. And using the index method to identify the position of the number, where the number is exactly is located. Like we can say that earlier we have seen that index, that number, what I want to see that numbers dot index of position. I want to see the second position, what is the number is available. Just a second. Index, you can see that it's the numbers. Now these numbers, you have to treat it as an array. Now we will take this as a print of numbers dot index position. Let's execute. 0, 1, 2. The index position is 2 is 3. It's going to be display. The position of the number in the list where it is. 2 is position of 0, 1, 2, 3. Here it is showing. If I placed 5, what is the position it will be displayed? 0, 1. It's showing 1. Is an output is. If I passed 3, what it will show. Even I too know whether this have seen that. 0 position, first position is showing. Anyhow, it is there also. Alright. Likewise, you have to practice what is exactly you are going to be input or output. Okay. And now similarly, we have an like a in operator to identify whether the value is available or not. Like you see, I'll remove all the things and 3 in numbers. 3 in numbers or not. It will return you a Boolean expression. You can check whether 3 is there or not. It says that it's true. And if I pass 5, it's true here. And if I pass like unknown number is a 0, what it will say? There is a no number is there, so false. Alright. And like you can also have an count of a particular what you can say that this list items. Complete this list items, how many are there. There is an account function is there. Based on that count, you can check it. Numbers dot of like what is the count? I can say that 3. I can check it. How many numbers are there? 3 numbers of the count. 3 is 2 times the count of numbers of 3 is available. If I pass 2, how many 2s are there from the given list? How many? It's showing that it's 1, and here it is replied 1. There's a large set of data. You can pass it. It's a simply fraction of seconds. It will give you an output. What is how many numbers of the data it is available in there, right? And similarly, it's in a descending order. It is now numbers dot sort method is there, which is the default, and it will be sorting in order numbers. That's it. Nothing is more than 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. It's a sorting automatically using this sort method built in. I'm not writing much more letter. I'm writing the lines of the code. Simple way I'm writing here, and we are able to getting the data output is in a sorting method. Similarly, sort we have, it's coming to the ascending order. And numbers, we want reverse. See, reverse. That's it. It's descending order. It will be 5, 4, 3, 3. If it is in a sort, it's in a positive way. It's a reverse means it's in a reverse way. It's print the string. All right. In such way, we can also copy and use the copy method and print the unique number. If we want to print a list of unique number by using a for loop, that is also possible to use in these methods. And one more we will see here, like a 3, 3 and some 4, 6. This is the string is there where we have to take an output of unique digits only. The duplicates are there. 3 is there, 4 is there, and whereas I don't want any duplicate over here, and I want to print only for unique digits. Simply taken a keyword is unique of empty string, and here using for item. Simply number, you take it as a number or item, anything. Simply understanding, we can take it as a number in numbers. Terminate the loop there, and if number not in unique, not in unique. If number not in unique, then unique is what would be the unique? That is then what happen of number. If that particular number is not available, then the unique, then that which is not available number to be added into the unique list item. Otherwise, it can be skipped. Now we will see the print statement. What we going to be printed here? What are the accumulated unique only will print here. Now let's see the printout. In my case, if I'm not wrong there, what it should be come to that statement also we need to convert here. Condition, no? Yep. Execute over here. Now see. Oh, just a second. I want to convert this print. Right. Print. Execute the statement. Now see here. 35426. There is a complete unique numbers only. It's a came to the output. 35426. Like a 3 is in a double here, it's not printed, and the 4 is a double here, it's not. My statement, how we have prepared in the program here, that unique like list items, numbers in numbers in these numbers, on each every number, if it is not in unique, if it is the number is not available in unique, then append the number to unique. I'm adding the number. If it is available, it will be skipped. That's it. And finally, if it is if the list items is completed, the loop will be terminated, and finally I'm going to printing this unique. What is the unique value is? It will be printed in the unique value. That is very much easy, simple program. You better understand.
I hope it will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, if any required regarding this tutorial, watch the below description where my contact details are available. Thank you.